Om Mata, she who is the mother. Malaya Chalavasini, she who lives in the Malaya mountains. Sumukhi, she who has a beautiful face. Nalini, she who is tender. Supru, she who has beautiful eyelids. Shobhana, she who brings good things. Suranayaka, she who is the leader of the Devas. Kalakanti, she who is the consort of he who killed the god of death. That is, she who is the consort of Mahadeva. Kantimati, she who has ethereal luster. Shobhini, she who creates great emotions. Sukshmarupini, she who is smaller than the smallest. Vajreshwari, she who is Vajreshwari, Lord of the Diamonds, who occupies Jalandhar Pitha. Vamadevi, she who is the consort of Vamadeva. Vayuvastha Vivarjita, she who does not change with time. Siddheshwari, she who is the goddess of Siddhas, saints with supernatural powers. Siddhavidya, she who is the personification of Panchadasa mantra, which is called Siddhavidya. Siddhamatha, she who is the mother of Siddhas. Yashaswini, she who has Yasha. Vishuddhi Chakra Nilaya, she who is in the 16-petaled lotus, that is Vishuddhi Chakra. Araktavarini, she who is slightly red in Vishuddhi Chakra. Trilochana, she who has 3 eyes. Khadvangadhi Prakarana, she who has arms like the sword. Vadanaika Samavidha, she who has one face. Payasanna Priya, she who likes sweet rice, payasam. Tvakshatha, she who can be experienced in the sensibility of the skin. Pashuloka Bhayankare, she who creates fear for animal-like men. Amrutathi Mahasakti Samrutha, she who is surrounded by Mahashaktis like Amrita, Karshini, Indrani, Isani, Uma, Urdhva, Kesi, etc. Dakineshwari, she who is the goddess of death. Anahatvaja Nilaya, she who lives in the 12-petaled lotus, that is Anahata Chakra. Syambha, she who is greenish black in complexion in Anahata Chakra. Vadanadvaya, she who has 2 faces. Dhamashatrojvala, she who shines with long protruding teeth. Akshamaladhidhara, she who wears Akshamala. Rudhira Samsthita, she who can be experienced in blood. Kalarathriyadhi Shakti Yogavrida, she who is surrounded by Shaktis like Kalaratri, Kanditha, Gayatri, etc. Snigdhodhana Priya, she who likes ghee mixed rice. Mahavirendra Varada, she who gives boons to great sages and warriors. Rakinyambha-swarupini, she who is the form of Rakini Amba. Manipurabjanilaya, she who lives in the 10-petaled lotus, that is Manipura Chakra. Vadanathraya Samyudha, she who has 3 faces in Manipura Chakra. Vajradhika Yudhopitha, she who has weapons like Vajrayudha. Damaryadhibhiravvirutha, she who is surrounded by goddess like Damari. Rakthavarna, she who is the color of blood in Manipura Chakra. Mamsanishtha, she who can be experienced in the flesh. Gudanna Pritha Manasa, she who likes rice mixed with jaggery. Samasta Bhakta Sukhada, she who gives pleasure to all her devotees. Lakinyambha-swarupini, she who has the form of Lakini. Swadhishthanambhujagatha, she who lives in the 6-petaled lotus or Swadhisthana Chakra. Chaturvaktra Manohara, she who has 4 beautiful faces in Swadhisthana Chakra. Sulayudha Sampanna, she who has weapons like spear. Pithavarna, she who is of golden color. Adhikarvita, she who is the primordial ego. Medhonishtha, she who can be experienced in medho of the body, that is fatty layer. Madhupritha, she who likes honey. Bandhinyadhi Samanveda, she who is surrounded by Shaktis called Bandhini. Dadyana Sakta Hridaya, she who likes curd rice. Kakini Rupadharini, she who takes the roop of Kakini. Mooladhrambhujaroda, she who sits on the Mooladhara Kamala or the lotus, which is the basic support. Panchavaktra, she who has 5 faces. Sthiti Samsthita, she who can be experienced in the bones. Ankusathi Praharana, she who holds Ankusha and other weapons. Varadhadi Nishevita, she who is surrounded by Varadha and other Shaktis. Mudagaudana Sakta Chitta, she who likes rice mixed with green gram dal. Sakinyambha-swarupini, she who has the name Sakini. Adna Chakrabjanilaya, she who sits on the lotus of Agnya Chakra. Shuklavarana, she who is white colored in Ajna Chakra. Shadanana, she who has 6 faces. Majja Samstha, she who is in the fat surrounding the body. Hamsavathi Mukhya Shakti Samanvitha, she who is surrounded by Mukhya Shaktis called Hamsavathi. Hardranai Karasika, she who likes rice mixed with turmeric powder. Hakini Rupadharini, she who has the name Hakini. Sahasradhala Padmastha, she who sits on the 1000-petaled lotus, that is Sahasrara Chakra, which is the highest chakra. Sarvavarnopi Shobhita. She who shines in all colors in Sahasrara. Sarvayudhadhara. She who is armed with all weapons. Shukla Samsthita. She who is in Shukla. Sarvatho she who has faces in all directions. Sarvodhana Prita Chitta. She who likes all types of rice. Yakinnamba Swarupini. She who is named as Yakini. Swaha. She who is the personification of Swaha, the mantra chanted during Yagyas. Swadha. She who is the form of Swadha. Amathi. She who is ignorance. Medha. She who is knowledge. Shruti. She who is Vedas. Smriti. She who is the guide to Vedas. Anuttama. She who is above all. Punyakirti. She who can be approached due to good deeds. Punyalabha. She who can be attained by good deeds. Punyasravana Kirtana. She who blesses those who listen and those who sing about her. Pulomajarachita. She who is worshipped by the wife of Indradeva. Bandhamochine. She who releases us from bondage. Barbharalaka. She who has 4 locks which resembles waves of the sea. Vimarsarupini. She who cannot be seen easily. Vidya. She who is the knowledge that leads to enlightenment. Vyadhati Jagat Prasu. She who created the various forms of worlds. Sarvavyadhi Prasamani. She who cures all suffering. Sarvamrityu Nivarini. She who prevents all types of deaths. Agraganaya. She who is the foremost and who is at the topmost. Achintya Rupa. She who is beyond thought and imagination. Kali Kalmashanasini. She who removes the ills of the dark age, that is Kali Yuga. Kathyayini. She who is Kathyayini in the Odiyana Pitha, or she who is the daughter of sage Kathyayana. Kalahantre. She who resides above the god of death. Kamalakshani. She who is being worshipped by the lotus-eyed Vishnu. Thambula Puritha Mukhi. She whose prasada is betel leaves, betel nut and lime. Dhadime Kusuma Prabha. She whose color is like the pomegranate bud. Mragakshi. She who has the eyes like deer's eyes. Mohini. She who bewitches. Mukhya. She who is the chief. Mridani. She who gives bliss. Mitra Rupini. She who is the form of the sun. Nitya Tripta. She who always provides peace. Bhakta Nidhi. She who is the treasure of devotees. Nayantri. She who controls all. Nikhileshwari. She who is the goddess of the universe. Maitrayadhi Vasanalabhya. She who can be attained by pure emotions. Mahapralaya Sakshini. She who witnesses the great pralaya, the great dissolution of the universe. Parashakti, she who is the greatest power. Paranishtha, she who is the greatest faith. Pragnanaganarupini, she who is personification of all superior knowledge. Madhvi Panalasa, she who is indulged in sweetness. Matha, she who cannot be seen by all. Madhrukavarna Rupini, she who takes various forms in the universe. Mahakailasa Nilaya, she who sits on Mahakailasha. Mrinala Mrududhorlatha, she who has arms as tender as lotus stalk. Mahaniya, she who is worthy to be worshipped. Dayamurti, she who is the personification of compassion itself. Mahasamrajyashalini, she who is the nourisher of all the worlds. Atmavidya, she who is the science of the soul. Mahavidya, she who is the greatest knowledge that leads to enlightenment. Shri Vidya, she who is Shri Vidya. Kamasevita, she who is worshipped by Kama, the god of love. Shri Sodakshari Vidya, she who is the Sodakshari Vidya. Trikuta, she whose knowledge is divided in 3 parts. Kamakotika, she who sits on Kamakoti Pitha. Kotaksha Kimkari Bhuta, Kamala Koti Sevita, she who is attended by crores of Lakshmis who yearn for her simple glance. Shirasthita, she who is in the head. Chandranebha, she who is like the full moon. Balastha, she who is in the forehead. Indradhanu Prabha, she who is like the rainbow. Hridayastha, she who is in the heart. Ravi Pragya, she who has luster like sun god. Trikonantra Deepika, she who is like the light in a triangle. Dakshayani, she who is the daughter of Daksha. Dhrityahantri, she who kills asuras. Dakshayagna Vinasini, she who destroyed the sacrifice of Daksha. Dharandholita Dirgakshi, she who has long eyes which have slight movement. Dharaha Sojwalan Mukhi, she who has face that glitters with her smile. Guru Murthy, she who is the form of all great gurus. Gunanidhi, she who is the treasure house of good qualities. Gomatha, she who is the mother cow. Guhajanmabhu, she who is the birth of Lord Subramanya. Deveshi, she who is the goddess of gods. Dhandanitishta, she who judges and punishes. Dhaharaksavarupini, she who is the form of white sky of consciousness. Pratipanmukhya Rakanthatidhi Mandala Pujita, she who is being worshipped on all the 15 days from full moon to new moon. Kalatmika, she who is the soul of the arts. Kalanadha, she who is the chief of the arts. Kavyalabha Vimodini, she who enjoys being described in epics. Sajamara Ramavani Savyadhakshinna Sevita, she who is being fanned by Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, and Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. Adi Shakti, she who is the primordial force. Ameya, she who cannot be measured, that is, she who is infinite. Atma, she who is the universal soul. Parama, she who is greater than the greatest. Pavanakriti, she who is the personification of purity. Aneka Koti Brahmanda Janani, she who is the mother of several billions of universes. Divya Vigraha, she who has a divine form. Klimkari, she who is the Bij mantra Klim. Kevala, she who alone is. Guhaya, she who is a secret. Kevalya Padadayini, she who gives enlightenment as well as materialistic desires. Tripura, she who lives in everything in three aspects. Trijagat Vandhya, she who is worshipped by all three worlds. Trimurti, she who is the Trinity, Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. Tridaseswari, she who is the goddess of all gods. Triyakshaya, she who is the form of three letters. Divyagandhatya, she who has a divine fragrance. Sindhura Tilakanchida, she who wears sindhura in her hair part. Uma, she who is in Om. Sailendra Thanaya, she who is the daughter of mountains. Gauri, she who is white colored. Gandharva Sevita, she who is worshipped by the Gandharva. Visvagarbha, she who carries the universe in her garbha. Swarnagarbha, she who has a divine womb. Avaradhya, she who punishes wrongdoers. Vajanadeshwari, she who is the goddess of all worlds. Dhyanagamaya, she who is attained by dhyana. Aparichetya, she who cannot be predicted to be in a certain place. Gnatha, she who gives great knowledge. Jnana Vigraha, she who is the personification of knowledge. Sarva Vedanta Samvedya, she who is known from all Upanishads and Vedanta. Satyananda Swarupini, she who is the personification of truth and bliss. Lopamudrarchita, she who is worshipped by Lopamudra, the wife of Agastha. Leela Klupta Brahmanda Mandala, she who creates the different universes by simple play. Adrushya, she who cannot be seen. Drishyarahita, she who is beyond sight. Vigyantri, she who is all of sciences. She who is beyond all knowledge. Yogini, she who is the personification of yoga. Yogadha, she who blesses with the knowledge and experience of yoga. Yogya, she who can be reached through yoga. Yogananda, she who is the bliss of yoga. Yugandhara, she who wears the yuga. Ichha Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti Swarupini, she who is the power of desire, knowledge and karma. Sarvadhara, she who is the Adhar or the basis of everything. Supratishta, she who is the greatest destination to attain. Sada Sadrupadharini, she who always wears the truth. Ashtamurti, she who has 8 forms. Ajajitri, she who lies beyond ignorance. Lokayatra Vedayani, she who makes all the worlds function. Ekakini, she who alone exists. Bhumarupa, she whose one form is the earth itself. Nirdvaita, she who takes one to oneness. Dvaitavarjita, she who exists beyond duality. Anattha, she who nourishes all. Vasudha, she who gives prosperity. Vriddha, she who is ancient. Brahmatmika Swarupini, she who is the Brahman itself. Brihati, she who is not limited in space. Brahmani, she who is the wife of Shiva. Brahmi, she who is the power of Brahman. Brahmananda, she who is the bliss of Brahman. Bali Priya, she who is pleased by yajnas. Bhasharupa, she who takes the form of language. Brihatsena, she who has a large army in battles. Bhava Bhava Vivarjita, she who has neither birth or death. Sukharadhya, she whose worships give bliss. Shubhakare, she who is the doer of great things. Shobhana Sulabhagati, she who is easy to attain with love, and she who blesses. Rajarajeshwari, she who is the empress of the kings themselves, like Devaraja, Yaksharaja, Brahma, Vishnu and Rudra. Rajadhayani, she who gives kingdoms like Vaikuntha, Kailasha, etc. Rajavallabha, she who is pleased by such great kingdoms. Rajat Krupa, she whose compassion shines everywhere. Rajapitha Nivesita Nijasrita, she who is approached by all kings. Rajalakshmi, she who is the prosperity of all kingdoms. Koshanatha, she who protects the kosha, that is treasury. Chaturanga Baleshwari, she who is the leader of the fourfold army, that is mind, buddhi, chitta and ahankara. Samrajyadhayini, she who creates the emperors of the world. Satya Sandhya, she who is the truth. Sagar Meghala, she who resides in the sea. Dikshita, she who gives Diksha to all learners. Daitya Shamani, she who destroys all Daityas. सर्वलोकवासं करे, she who controls all the universes. Sarvatha Datre, she who gives all prosperity. Savitri, she who shines like the sun. Satchidananda Rupini, she who is the personification of truth, consciousness, bliss, that is Satchidananda. Desakala Parishchinna, she who is not limited or changed by space or time. Sarvaga, she who is present everywhere. Sarvamohini, she who attracts the love of all. Saraswati, she who is the goddess of knowledge. Shastramayi, she who is the knowledge of all science. Guhamba, she who is the mother of Bhagwan Subramanya, Guha. Guhya Rupini, she whose form is hidden. Sarvopadhi Vinirmukta, she who has no limits. Sadashiva Padhivritta, she who is the devoted wife for all times to Bhagwan Shiva. Sampradayeshwari, she who is the goddess to Guru Shishya Parampara. Sadhu, she who is pure. E, she who is here. Guru Mandala Rupini, she who takes form as different teachers in the universe. Kulothirna, she who is beyond senses. Bhagaradhya, she who is to be worshipped in the universe. Maya, she who is Maya. Madhumati, she who is the sweetness of the trance stage of yoga. Mahi, she who is present as earth, Dharti Mata. Ganamba, she who is mother to Ganesha and Shivaganas. Guhyakaradhya, she who is to be worshipped in secluded places. Komalangi, she who has beautiful limbs. Guru Priya, she who is pleased by great gurus and is also loved by great gurus. Swatantra, she who is independent, one and only. Sarvatantresi, she who is the goddess to all tantra. Dakshinamurti Rupini, she who is Dakshinamurti Shiva. Sanakadhi Samaradhya, she who is being worshipped by Sanaka sages. Shiva Jnana Pradhayini, she who gives the knowledge of Shiva. Chetakala, she who is the art of consciousness. Ananda Kalika, she who is the happiness in all beings. Prema Rupa, she who is the form of true love. Priyamkari, she who does good. Nama Parayana Prita, she who likes repetition of her various names. Nandi Vidya, she who is the knowledge taught by Nandi Deva. Nateshwari, she who is the goddess of dance. Mithya Jagat Adhisthana, she who is the blessing or support in the false sansara. Muktida, she who gives mukti or nirvana. Mukti Rupini, she who is the form of mukti or nirvana herself. Lasya Priya, she who likes the great dance. Lasyakari, she who is the bridge between dance and music. Lajja, she who is shy. Rambha Adivandita, she who is worshipped by the celestial dancers. Bhavadhava Sudha Vrishti, she who is like the rain in forest fire. Forest fire is suffering and the rain is bliss. Paparanya Dhavanala, she who is the forest fire that destroys the forest of Papa, that is bad deeds. Daurabhagya Thula Vathula, she who is the cyclone that blows away the cotton of bad happenings. Jaradvandhara Viprabha, she who is the sun rays that swallows the darkness of old age. Bhagyabdhi Chandrika, she who is the full moon to the sea of greatness. Bhakta Chitta Keki Ganagana, she who is the dark clouds for the peacock of a bhakta's mind. Roga Parvata Dhambola, she who is the Vajra weapon which breaks the sickness which is like the mountain. Mrityudharu Kudarika, she who is the axe which cuts the tree of death. Maheshwari, she who is the greatest goddess. Mahakali, she who is the great Kali. Mahagrasa, she whose womb is the great universe. Mahasana, she who is the greatest destination. Aparna, she who did meditation without even eating a leaf to attain Shiva in her Parvati Rupa. Chandika, she who takes the form of Ma Chandika. Chandamunda Sura Nishodhini, she who killed the asuras called Chanda and Munda. Sharat Sharathatmika, she who can never be destroyed or defeated. Sarvalokesi, she who is the goddess to all the worlds. Visvadharini, she who carries all the universes. Trivargadhatri, she who gives dharma, boons and bliss. Subhaga, she who is pleasing to look at. Triambaga, she who has 3 eyes. Trigunatmika, she who is the personification of 3 gunas, tamas, rajas and sattva. Swarga Pavargadha, she who gives heaven and the way to heaven. Shuddha, she who is pure. Japa Pushpa Nibhakriti, she who is the color of hibiscus. Ojovati, she who emits ojas. Dyutidara, she who carries light. Yagnarupa, she who is the form of Yajna. Priyavridha, she who likes tapasya. Dhuraradhya, she who is attained through great worship. Dhuradarsha, she who cannot be won. Patali Kusuma Priya, she who likes the buds of Patali tree. Mahati, she who is infinite. Meru Nilaya, she who lives in Meru mountains. Mandhara Kusuma Priya, she who likes the buds of Mandhara tree. Veeraradhya, she who is worshipped by brave warriors. Virat Rupa, she who is the form of universe. Viraja, she who does not have any blemish. Vishvatho she who sees through everyone's eyes. Pratyek Rupa, she who can be seen by introspecting the self. Parakasa, she who is the sky of consciousness beyond the material sky and the sky of the mind. Pranadha, she who gives pran. Pranarupini, she who is the pran. Mrithanda Bhairavaradhya, she who is being worshipped by Marthanda Bhairava. Mantrini Nyastha Rajyadhu, she who gave the power to rule to Mantrini, who is her own form. Tripuresi, she who is the head of 3 divine cities. Jayatsena, she who has an army which wins. Nistarai Gunya, she who is above the 3 qualities of Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. Para, she who is outside, inside and on the surface. Satya Jnananda Rupini, she who is the personification of true knowledge and bliss. Samarasya Parayana, she who is present in peace. Kapardhini, she who is the wife of Kapardhi, that is Shiva. Kalamala, she who is decorated with all the kalas of all the worlds. Kamadukha, she who fulfills all desires. Kamarupini, she who is the form of desire. Kalanidhi, she who is the treasure of arts. Kavya Kala, she who is the art of writing. Rasagna, she who is pleased by arts. Rasasevadhi, she who is the treasure of arts. Pushta, she who is complete. Purathana, she who is ancient. Puja, she who is worshipped. Pushkara, she who gives exuberance. Pushkarekshana, she who has lotus-like eyes. Param Jyoti, she who is the highest energy. Param Dhama, she who is the ultimate resting place. Paramanu, she who is the ultimate atom. Paratpara, she who is better than the best. Pasahasta, she who has rope in her hand. Pasahantri, she who cuts off attachment. Paramantra Vivedini, she who destroys the effect of negative tantra. Murtha, she who has a form. Amurtha, she who does not have a form. Anitya Tripta, she who is pleased by the non-permanent as well. Muni Manasahamsika, she who is the swan in the mind of the lake of sages. Satyavritha, she who speaks only truth. Satyarupa, she who is the form of truth. Sarvantharyamini, she who is within everything. Sati, she who is Sati, the daughter of Daksha. Brahmani, she who is the strength of the Creator. Brahma, she who is the Creator. Janani, she who is the mother. Bahurupa, she who has several forms. Buddharchita, she who is being worshipped by the enlightened. Prasavitri, she who has given birth to everything. Prachanda, she who is extreme. Agna, she who is the order. Pratishtha, she who is present. Prakatakriti, she who is clearly visible, still not visible. Praneshwari, she who is the goddess of prana. Pranadhatri, she who takes the prana. Panchastapeta Rupini, she who is in 50 Shakti Peta. Vishungala, she who is not bounded. Vivikthastha, she who is in solitude places. Viramatha, she who is the mother of brave warriors. Vyatprasu, she who created the sky. Mukunda, she who gives enlightenment. Mukti Nilaya, she who is the seat of redemption. Moola Vigraha Rupini, she who is the primordial form. Bhavagna, she who understands wishes and thoughts. Bhavarokagni, she who cures the sin of births. Bhavachakra Pravarthini, she who makes the wheel of birth and death rotate. Chandasara, she who is the meaning of Veda. Shastrasara, she who is the meaning of Purana. Mantrasara, she who is the meaning of mantra. Thalodhari, she who has a small belly. Udarakirti, she who has a white and tall frame. Uddhama Vaibhava, she who has immeasurable fame. Varna Rupini, she who is the personification of the order of Varna. Janma Mrityu Jara Thapta Jana Vishranti Dhayini, she who liberates from the cycle of birth, death, old age, pain and suffering. Sarvopanishadhuda Gushata, she who is being spoken about clearly in all Upanishads. Shantyatitha Kalatmika, she who is greater than peace itself. Gambhira, she whose depth cannot be measured. Gaganandhastha, she who is the sky of consciousness beyond the material sky and the sky of mind. Garvita, she who is pride. Ganalolupa, she who is eagerly prayed by Ganas. Kalpanarahita, she who is beyond imagination. Kastha, she who is the final boundary. Akantha, she who removes sins. Kanthatha Vigraha, she who is half of her husband. Kantha. Karyakarana Nirmukta, she who is attained beyond the karma and phala. Amakeli Tharangita, she who is the waves in the sea of supreme consciousness. Kanathakan Thadanga, she who wears glittering golden ear studs. Leela Vigrahadharini, she who assumes several forms for several purposes. Aja, she who does not have a birth. Chaya Nirmukta, she who does not have death. Gupta, she who is beautiful. Sipra Prasadini, she who is pleased easily by her bhaktas. Antharmukha Samaradhya, she who can be worshipped by internal thoughts. Bahirmukha Sudurlabha, she who can be attained by external prayers. Trayi, she who is the Trinity, Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. Trivarga Nilaya, she who is in the three aspects of the self. Trishta, she who is in the three. Tripura Malini, she who is in the Tripura, the sixth section of Sri Chakra. Niramaya, she who is beyond Maya. Niralamba, she who does not have births. Svatmarama, she who is blissful in herself. Sudha Sruti, she who is the rain of Amrita. Samsara Panga Nirmagna, Samudharana Pandita, she who is capable of saving people who are drowning in suffering. Yajna Priya, she who is pleased by Yajna. Yajna Karati, she who is the carrier of Yajna. Yajamana Swarupini, she who is the doer of Yajna as well. Dharmadhara, she who is the basis of Dharma. Dhanadyaksha, she who presides over wealth. Viprapriya, she who is pleased by the learner of Vedas, the Purohita. Viprarupa, she who takes the form of learner of Vedas as Purohita. Vishwa Brahmana Karini, she who makes the universe to function. Visvagrasa, she who consumes and annihilates the universe at the end of each cycle. Vidrumabha, she who has the luster of a coral. Vaishnavi, she who is the power of Vishnu. Vishnu Rupini, she who is Vishnu herself. Ayoni, she who has no cause. Yoni Nilaya, she who is the cause and source of everything. Kutastha, she who is stable. Kularupini, she who is the personification of culture. Viragoshti Priya, she who likes the company of great warriors. Veera, she who is a great warrior herself. Naishakamya, she who does not have attachment to action and its fruits. Nadharupini, she who is the form of sound. Vijnana Kalana, she who creates the laws of the universe. Kalya, she who is greatest in all arts. Vidhata, she who is an expert in everything. Baindavasana, she who resides in the Sahasrara, the 1,000-petaled lotus. Tattvatika, she who is above all elements and their signs. Tattvamayi, she who is all the elements. Tattvamartha Swarupini, she who takes different Nama, Rupa and Vyavahara, name, form and characteristics. Samagana Priya, she who likes the singing of Sama. Saumya, she who is peaceful. Sadashiva Kutumbini, she who is the consort of Sadashiva. Savyapa Savyamargastha, she who is the birth, death and living. Sarva Apada Vinivarini, she who removes all dangers. Swastha, she who has everything within her. Swabhava Madhura, she who is by nature sweet. Dhira, she who is courageous. Dhira Samarchida, she who is being worshipped by the courageous. Chaitanyargya Samaradhya, she who is worshipped by the oblation of water. Chaitanya Kusuma Priya, she who likes the never fading flowers. Sadodhita, she who never sits. Sada Dushta, she who is always peaceful. Tarunaditya Patala, she who is like the rising sun, reddish and white. Dakshina Radhya, she who is worshipped by the learned and ignorant both. Dharasmera Mukhambuja, she who has a smiling face like the lotus in full bloom. Kaulini Kevala, she who is the mixture of Kaula and Kevala methods. Anargya Kaivalya Padadhayini, she who gives immeasurable heavenly stature. Stotra Priya, she who likes stotra. Stuti Mati, she who gives boons for those who sing her chants. Stuti Samdhuta Vaibhava, she who is worshipped by the Vedas. Manasvaini, she who manifests in stable mind. Manavati, she who manifests for compassionate beings. Mahesi, she who is the highest goddess. Mangalakriti, she who does only good. Vishwamata, the mother of the universe. Jagadhatri, she who supports of the world. Vishalakshi, she who has huge eyes. Viragni, she who blesses renunciation. Pragalbha, she who is courageous. Paramodhara, she who is the greatest giver. Paramodha, she who is the greatest happiness. Manomai, she who is dissolved in mind. Vyomakesi, she who is the wife of Shiva, who has sky as his hair. Vimanastha, she who is at the top. Vajrani, she who is in great weapons like Vajra. Vamakeshwari, she who is the goddess of Tantra Sadhana. Panchayagya Priya, she who likes the fivefold yagya. Panchapretha Manchadhi Sayini, she who sits in the throne made of Brahma, Rudra, Ishvara and Vishnu, rising from the navel of Sadashiva. Panchami, she who is the consort of Sadashiva, the fifth of Panchabrahma. Panchabhutesi, she who is the chief of Panchabhuta, earth, sky, fire, air and water. Panchasankhyopacharini, she who is to be worshipped by 5 methods of Gandha, Pushpa, Dhupa, Deepa and Naivedya. Saswati, she who is infinite in space and time. Saswathaisvarya, she who gives great prosperity. Sarmadha, she who gives great bliss. Shambhu Mohini, she who bewitches Bhagwan Shiva. Dhara, she who carries. Dharasutta, she who is the daughter of the mountain. Dhanya, she who gives all sorts of wealth. Dharmini, she who protects dharma. Dharmavardhini, she who enhances dharma. Lokatitha, she who is beyond the worlds. Gunathita, she who is beyond characteristics. Sarvatita, she who is beyond everything. Samadhmika, she who is peace herself. Bandhuka kusuma pragya, she who has the glitter of bandhuka flowers. Bala, she who has the form of a young woman. Leela Vinodini, she who loves to play. Sumangali, she who gives all great prosperities. Sukhakari, she who gives happiness. Suveshatya, she whose form is beautiful. Suvasini, she who is sweet-scented. Suvasinyarchana Pritha, she who likes the worship by married women. Ashobhana, she who is sushobhit with gunas. Shuddha Manasa, she who is known by clean mind. Bindhu Tatpana Santushta, she who is pleased with the tilak on forehead. Purvaja, she who is the ancient one. Tripurambika, she who is the goddess of three great cities. Dasamudra Samaradhya, she who is worshipped by 10 mudras. Tripura Sri Vasankari, she who is Tripura Sri. Jnanamudra, she who is the form of greatest knowledge. Jnanagamya, she who can be attained by greatest knowledge. Jnanagneya Swarupini, she who is what is thought and the thought itself. Yonimudra, she who is bliss. Trikhandesi, she who is the lord of the three zones of fire, moon and sun. Triguna, she who has three main characteristics. Amba, she who is the mother. Trikonaga, she who has attained all the vertices of a triangle. Anaga, she who is not neared by papa. Adbhuta Charitra, she who has a wonderful leela. Vanchitartha Pradayini, she who gives what is desired by great men. Abhyasati Sayagnitha, she who can be realized by constant practice. Shadvati Dharupini, she who supersedes the 6 methods of prayer. Avayaja Karunamurti, she who shows mercy without reason. Ajnana Dvantha Deepika, she who is the lamp that drives away ignorance. Abala Gopa Vidhita, she who is worshipped by children and cowherds. Sarvana Ullangya Sasana, she whose orders can never be disobeyed. Sri Chakra Rajanilaya, she who resides in Sri Chakra. Srimatha Tripura Sundari, she who is the most beautiful being in all of 3 worlds, and she who is the consort of Lord Tripurasura. Shri Shiva, she who is Shiva herself. Shiva Shakti Aikya Rupini, she who is the unification of Shiva and Shakti. Lalitambika, she who is the mother of the universe, Ma Adi Shakti. Jai Bhavani. Thanks for watching.